Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. So I thought I'd do a styling video with a little bit of a twist today. So I'm basically going to be sharing with you a few office wear looks that are really great for the summer, that are inspired by Meghan Markle's character Rachel Zane on the series Suits. Now, for those of you who know me, actually this is probably not something I've talked about very much online, but I was a big Suits fan. I kind of fell off in the last season or so, but the first few seasons of Suits, I took a lot of my office wardrobe inspiration from Rachel Zane, the character, Meghan Markle's character on the show. So I pulled together a few outfits that I think very much are a nod to that kind of feminine, light and airy, but yes, very sophisticated and professional style. And I will have linked all of the items that I use to put these looks together in the description box below. So if you like the sound of that and you want to see some of the looks that I put together, then please keep watching. Right, so for this first look, I kind of wanted to go straight in with the summer vibes, and I definitely wanted to pick necklines and silhouettes that complement my shape. So I'll start with the top. So I went with a strappy v-neck camisole because for somebody who has quite a small bust area, this is a kind of style that suits my frame a lot more. I love to kind of show off my décolletage area, and I think that the V neckline is definitely a great boost to somebody with a smaller bust. I paired it with this, because it's summer, this plain white, it's actually a cream colour pencil skirt, because of the way in which they frame the female form. So if you want a really nice feminine look that looks professional, pencil skirt is great because it cinches you in at the waist, kind of creating the illusion of that sort of hourglass shape, and it cuts just below the knee to kind of bring that silhouette back in. And I also paired it a nice pair of suede tan pumps because it is summer. So this look I would also rock with a tote bag. Also I've gone for my Mulberry Bayswater tote bag in this gorgeous oxblood colour, the snakeskin print. It just kind of adds a little bit more texture. So this is outfit number one. So with this next look, I've basically just switched out the top for a different style of cami. So again, it's v-neck, but the straps are slightly wider on this one. Because it's red and it's quite a nice summer colour, I think going a bit heavier on the straps kind of creates the I didn't try too hard type look. So yeah, another really nice summer alternative. So same shoes, same skirt, just a different top. Okay, so now we have upped the ante to day to night wear. So let's say it is Thursday night. In the UK, Thursday nights are like the new Friday nights out. So it's Thursday, you want to rock an outfit that you can go straight from the office to the bar in, and you want to look sexy but not too done up. So this kind of top is perfect for that. So it's in this really gorgeous sort of satin material, very thin straps, but the v-neck chest area is quite covered, so you do feel quite secure. But when you team this with the white skirt, the contrast, the black and white contrast, there's no beating it. So the skirt obviously looks a bit white on camera. It is actually cream, so I think it's kind of a toned down way of doing that sort of monochrome look. For those who are a bit more confident, you can go braless. I have done in this one. It's got lovely details on the back in terms of these straps, which kind of crisscross over, so a little bit of extra pizzazz back there. And if you're feeling extra brave, you could pop on a dash of sort of red lippy just to really set the look off. Now, another really great way of going straight from the office to the bar without carrying too much stuff is, for a normal outfit like this, you probably go in with a handbag that looks a bit like this. Now this handbag is a dupe of the Celine tote, but works really well if you're kind of just in the office on a casual basis. However, what you can do is get a bag like this. So this is just a clutch from Saint Laurent, and you can fold it up and put it in your day-to-day bag, and then when you're ready for your night out, you just take all the contents from your day-to-day bag, put them in your night bag, leave that one in the office, and then just rock this. So this is a really classic but sexy look for, I don't know, maybe a date, or maybe just a night out with friends drinking after work. I've also paired this with some black suede pumps just to really kind of set the look off and basically make it more nighttime. Okay, so this next look is very much casual Friday meets chic casual Fridays. I have a lot of like casual shirts in my wardrobe that sometimes I think don't necessarily work for the office, because generally I'm always pairing them with a pair of like white light wash denim or shorts, or like, you know, casual clothes. However, you can absolutely rope those into your workwear wardrobe, and it was suits that taught me of a really easy way to do this. Now, a shirt like this, which actually is quite huge and has really long sleeves, and it's actually very not form-fitting, tuck it into a pencil skirt and you completely change its whole vibe. I think what helps this top work well is the open collar, so it's not your traditional button-down shirt, it's just kind of got an opening there, which I think gives it a nice laid-back, relaxed look. What I've done, and what I always do with shirts if I want to create a more casual look, and in fact love showing off my arms, is roll up the sleeves, simple, and then put some arm candy on. So I've just kind of paired this with a silver bangle and like a classic silver watch, a nice casual tote bag, and you're good to go. So I think the blue and the white definitely complement each other well for summer. I throw in a bit of black because it just goes with everything, and this bag is quite small and quite light. And I've also paired it with lovely grey suede pumps, which kind of complement the light colours and the vibe that we've got going here. So this to me screams how you would do casual Friday if you worked in a more professional environment, any kind of very suited and booted type office environment. With this final look, the kind of feel I was going for is very much client meeting day. So we know it's not always going to be fun and games in the office. Sometimes you've got to knuckle down and really look the part. So I think that the classic way to do this is with your standard button-down shirt. This one I picked out is blue, and it's got a few little flowers in it just to kind of bring that summer feel back again. But at the same time, it's very structured, it's very tailored, form-fitting. The buttons do stop here, so you still get that feminine air and look, but at the same time, when paired with a really nice pencil skirt like this, you cannot go wrong. You look professional, you look well put together, you look like you're here to work, but there's no reason that you can't look stylish trying to do the same thing. So this pairing I really love for, I guess, those days where you've got to put your sassy business game face on. And of course, what says I am here to get paid and slay than a nice black tote. So I would definitely see this as pairing really well with an outfit like this. And if we're thinking suits, I imagine this is definitely the kind of outfit that Rachel Zane would wear if she had, I don't know, a mock trial or a new client coming in. Yeah, just a really formal event where it's important to look the part. So thank you so much for watching my Meghan Markle inspired summer office lookbook. I hope you really enjoyed that. I hope most of all you guys got some inspiration for your summer office outfits. What I have done is I have put together an alternative, again, Rachel Zane, Meghan Markle inspired office wear lookbook, but for the cooler months in the year. So if in your climate of the world it is sort of autumn, winter kind of temperatures, then this next video will be definitely one for you. So stay tuned and look out for that. Otherwise, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe for more styling tips, more lookbooks, outfit ideas, and make sure that you turn on post notifications so that you get a little notification pop up on your screen whenever I upload a new video. And that's pretty much all I've got to say, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!